just about everybody that has a computer is going to need an external hard drive to back up all their files just in case. Well, if that's you, you're going to want to check this out. We're looking at the Western Digital My Passport Ultra. This particular version is a 1 terabyte design, and it's beautiful. It's got this, you got a metallic and matte finishes together. It's about the size of a deck of cards, but thinner, and it actually has software built into it. A lot of people don't like software in their hard drives. They just want to be able to do drag and drop. But this one's actually really good because you can actually import stuff from your social media and cloud storage directly onto this drive. So for example, if you use Dropbox and you have a 2 gigs free Dropbox and you want to free up that space, you can actually import it all onto this drive with this software. It also has an automatic backup and password protection features for backing up stuff on your computer. Speaking of computers, it can work on both Mac and PC, and it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. So the great thing about this is it comes in a variety of different sizes depending on your needs. You can go for 1 terabyte all the way up to 4. The 1 terabyte is going to run you for about $75 Canadian. If you want to go for the big daddy, the 4 terabytes, that's only $135 Canadian. It's a great way to take stuff from your cloud back onto a hard drive so that you have it. You could put this in your storage locker or your safe. It's something that is a must-have for anybody with digital devices. Again, we're looking at the Western Digital My Passport Ultra. This is an external hard drive for both your computer and now for all your cloud storage. You can get more information at wdc.com.